Hello everyone, welcome back to Blockchain Sparrows YouTube channel. Before getting started with USDT Lavender bot's amazing results, I would like to show you step by step how to set up your Binance with Zignaly. So first, after creating an account on Zignaly, go to the right corner and click on My Exchange account. If you don't have one, you can create it by clicking here. Otherwise, click here. Press on Binance, type any name you want. Make sure it's on spot. Now, let's go to our Binance account. Click on API Management. Type any name. Then you will get a verification code to your email, plus your Google or SMS authentication. Press on Connect Exchange and you're done. And now back to the results. This is our Lavender USDT bot, as you can see. This account belongs to one of our bot subscribers. These are some positions that still running. His investment amount is around $4,300. It's been around 25 hours since he subscribed to our bot, Lavender USDT, and just in one day, there is more than 400 successful sold positions. By the way, this bot price is only $40 and required a minimum of $3,300 to start. And if you have less, you can contact our support team on Telegram to help you. Just profits, not a single red one. It's all profits. A total of 461 successful closed positions. Now we are going to download the CSV file so we can calculate his profits in one day. And just to make sure, here is the first sold position. And it's the same as here. So this person right here earned around $62 in just one day, which means around 1.5% of his investment money. So technically he can double his money in less than 100 days. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe for more, and if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on Telegram. Bye.